हाँ जी बेटा, यहाँ तक क्लियर है? ओके, नाउ
यस मैम।
ओके, now we are starting with the unordered list. Unordered list is created by using the UL tag. By creating the UL, using the UL tag to create unordered list. ठीक है, to create unordered list. This is a container tag. UL की full form of UL is unordered list. Full form of UL is unordered list. It is a container tag. It is a container tag. Container tag means it will have a closing tag also. So we will type UL starting with the list. Yes, इसके बाद जो मैं text लिखूंगी, जो मैं points लिखूंगी, they will be the part of a list. So type UL, type the list items and then close the UL tag. Okay, type the UL to start with the list, type the list items, then close the UL tag. Now for each list item that we will define in between the UL tags. जो UL tags के बीच में जो हम text लिखेंगे, जो हम points लिखेंगे, each point is defined by LI tag. Each point is defined by LI tag. Like this. ठीक है? Each point will be typed with the help of LI tag. Okay, clear? Now this LI tag is actually a container tag. We have to close it also, but it is not compulsory to close the LI tag. That is why it can be treated as an empty tag. It is a container tag. We are supposed to close it, but it works without closing also. So it can be treated as an empty tag, but it is a container tag. So अगर हम इसको क्लोज करते हैं तब भी ओके है, अगर नहीं क्लोज करते हैं बिकॉज नेक्स्ट लिस्ट आइटम स्टार्ट हो रही है, LI हम लिख रहे हैं, तो इट इज वर्किंग फाइन अगेन विदाउट क्लोजिंग ऑल्सो. So it is a container tag. LI is also a container tag, but it can work as a empty tag. Okay, clear है यहाँ तक? Now full form of UL is
Unordered list.
unordered list. And full form
Unordered
of
list.
LI is list item. ठीक है?
List item.
List item. This tag is used to define each list item in unordered as well as ordered list. दोनों लिस्ट यूज करें, चाहे ordered list यूज करें, चाहे unordered list करें, as well as in ordered list. Used to define each list item in unordered as well as in ordered list. Both the list items, both the type of list, this tag is used to define the list items. Now, attributes. Attributes. What attribute is used with the UL tag? Attributes of UL tag. There is only one attribute is used, that is type. To define the type of bullet. To define the type of bullet. By default, if we are not using any bullet type attribute, it is disk. Other options are circle and square. Type attribute can have values of disk, circle, and square. Type attribute can have values of disk, circle and square.
मैम
Yes.
मैम ये जो आपने डेफिनेशन लगाई थी यूज टू डिफाइन ईच लिस्ट आइटम इन अनऑर्डर्ड एंड ऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट,
And
ये
ordered
लिस्ट की थी ना?
List item
ये
की,
list की
LI
थी ना?
की, LI की, हाँ जी, LI।
यस मैम।
ठीक है जी, क्लियर है यहाँ तक? Now how to use it? By default is disk. By default this is the default value. That means अगर मैं कोई भी type attribute use नहीं कर रही हूँ, ठीक है, तो by default disk bullets आएंगी in most of the web browsers. But if you want to change the disk to circle or square, then you can use it. Okay. Suppose the same example we are going to do in the notepad. Here I'm going to start with my topic HTML, head, title, and head close, title close, using the unordered list. Here I'm going to type body. Okay. Suppose I want to give the background color. I'm using the BG color attribute equals to teal. Now I want to start with the typing of 5 Ds for success. So I want it in yellow color and in size 6. So font color equals to yellow, size equals to 6, and I want to make it bold. So I'm giving bold attribute, bold tag. Now I type 5 Ds for सक्सेस, हेडिंग है मेरा जो मुझे टाइप करना है इस कलर में और इस साइज में. नाउ व्हिच टैग आई शुड क्लोज फर्स्ट? व्हिच टैग आई शुड क्लोज फर्स्ट?
Bold.
Bold. So I will close the B
Bold
tag
tag.
and then I will close the font tag. Now I want कि जो मेरी list है that should appear in white color and size 5. So what I should write? White color में चाहिए और size 5 चाहिए, font size 5 चाहिए. So what should I type? Which tag I will use? Yes. If I want to display the list in white color and of font size 5, which tag I should use? अभी जैसे मैंने येलो कलर यूज करना था तो आई यूज द फॉन्ट टैग. तो अभी मुझे व्हाइट कलर यूज करना है तो क्या करूंगी मैं, क्या लिखेंगे हम यहाँ पे?
फॉन्ट कलर इज इक्वल टू व्हाइट.
फॉन्ट टैग कलर एट्रीब्यूट इक्वल्स टू व्हाइट एंड मुझे साइज 5 चाहिए.
मैम font size is equal to
फॉन्ट
5.
ऑलरेडी लिख चुकी है, फॉन्ट ऑलरेडी
हम
लिख
size
चुकी
अकेला
है,
लिखेंगे.
साइज इक्वल्स टू 5. ठीक है. If I
5.
want to change the handwriting also, then what should I write? अगर मुझे handwriting भी change करनी है तो क्या
मैम वो
लिखना चाहिए?
मैम
Face style.
Space equals to any font style that you want to give. Okay. Now mind it, यहाँ पर space ना दिया करो. यहाँ पर अगर space दोगे तो that will not be applied. ठीक है, वो error आएगी, वहाँ पे आपका effect apply नहीं होगा. Now I want to type the list. I'm starting the list with UL tag. Here after that my list is starting. Now I want to type the list items. My first list item is dedication. Okay. Then my second list item is
डिवोशन.
devotion. You can type in any order.
मैम डिसिप्लिन, डिस्क्रिमिनेशन,
Discipline,
डमी.
fourth is determination, and last is discrimination. Okay, now I want to close the UL tag. I'm closing it. Okay, this tab is not compulsory. I'm just giving it to show you the order of the items or to show you the order of tags. Now close the list. Now close the font tag. See, this is the list. Ordered list से start कर रहे हैं. List items के साथ each list item define कर रहे हैं और unordered list close कर रहे हैं. Now this font tag which I had started before unordered list, that I'm closing here after unordered list. Now close the body tag.
Body tag. मैम
Then
फिर HTML
close
को
the
close करना.
HTML tag. ठीक है?
Yes.
Now save the file. File menu. Save as. Give the name. I'm giving as unlist.html. Save as type all files. .html देना compulsory है. Save. Now open any browser. Open any browser. ठीक है? How to open? Ctrl+O. Find the file. Open it. See, 5 Ds for success in yellow color and size 6 and bold also. List items in white color and by default bullet, that is disk. By default bullet, that is disk. हाँ जी, clear है यहाँ तक? Note down किया बेटा? Coding note down करिए. Note down
Yes,
the
ma'am.
coding. Note down the coding. This much coding. ये coding note down कर लो कि कैसे आपने list बनानी है. Now I'm going to choose the type attribute. Type equals to. By default आपने देखा disk आ रहे थे small filled circles. Disk means small filled circles. Now I want to change the type equals to square. Give the type in double quotes. Square. Save it by pressing Ctrl+S shortcut key. Alt+Tab to switch between the window browser. F5 to refresh it. See, now bullets has been changed. Now my bullets are in square. Now my bullets are in square. हाँ जी, वेदांती, मनीषा, मान्या, बेटा क्लियर है? Okay. Yes, 8B class, Arish, Ishan, Raghav, Pari. Is it clear, beta? Any doubt till now?
मैम क्लियर है पर मैम एक बार कोडिंग दिखा दो.
हाँ, कोडिंग तो मैं भी कर रहा है बेटा. हाँ जी, यहाँ तक. Now I can change the square to circle also. Type equals to circle. I can save it and go to the browser window, refresh it. You will see there will be
मैम
bullets.
वो non-filled रहेंगे.
अब वो non-filled
Non-filled
circles.
रहेंगे.
Non-filled circles. Okay. So you can give any type of bullet here. This is the unordered list. Now, ordered list. Ordered list. What is ordered list? In which the list item is important, in which the order of the items is important. Same way, जैसे unordered list use करिए UL tag से, we are using the OL tag. अगर OL tag use करेंगे to define the ordered list. तो वहां पर by default numbers आ जाएंगे 1, 2, 3, 4. It will continue with the numbers to define the ordered list. Full form of OL is
Ordered list.
ordered list. ठीक है. Here also it is also a container tag, and here also we will use that list item. OL से start करेंगे. List item. So every list. जितनी भी आइटम्स है हमारी लिस्ट की, जितनी भी आइटम्स को हमने लिस्ट में ऐड करना है, that we will use by using the li tag and then close the OL tag. ठीक है? This is syntax OL, then type the list items and then close the OL tag. This is a syntax. Okay. हाँ जी, clear हो गया यहाँ तक? Now attributes. We are having attributes of OL tag now. As we are using the attribute of unordered list, attributes of OL tag. जैसे वहां पे हमारे
मैम
पास
इसका भी
टाइप
टाइप ही है।
एट्रीब्यूट था to define the type of bullet. Here we are having the type attribute to define the numbering style. In numbering style क्या होना चाहिए? Numbering style by default it is 1 2 3 4, that is a sequence numbers. By default it is 1 2 3 4. Numbering style, that is your in sequence of numbers. इसको देने की जरूरत नहीं होती है, ये बाय डिफॉल्ट अपने आप आता है. सीक्वेंस ऑफ नंबर्स. इफ यू वांट कि मुझे सीक्वेंस ऑफ नंबर्स नहीं चाहिए, आई वांट कैपिटल ए बी सी, तो आई विल टाइप टाइप इक्वल्स टू डबल कोट्स में कैपिटल ए टू डिफाइन अपर केस letters. And if you want small abc as a number, so you will type small a in double quotes, lowercase letters. And if you want Roman letters, uppercase, so you will give capital I in double quotes. Uppercase Roman letters. And small case Roman letters or lowercase Roman letters. These are the various values which the type attribute can have. Type equals to capital A, type equals to small a, type equals to capital I, or type equals to small I. These are the values which the type attribute can have. Okay, now I'm going to share it. See, here I'm going to change it from unordered list to ordered list without any attribute. मैंने सिर्फ क्या चेंज किया, यूएल की जगह ओएल कर दिया. बाकी आइटम्स वैसे ही आएंगी, लिस्ट आइटम्स, डेडिकेशन, डिवोशन, डिटर्मिनेशन, डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, एवरी एल आई के साथ. ना जहां जहां एल आई लगा है वहां पे क्या आ जाएगा, 1 2 3 4 5. सेव इट, go to the browser, refresh it, see. Why 1 2 3 4? Because the list starts with OL tag. Because the list starts with OL tag. OL tag से start किया था, that is why it is giving me numbers. See the coding. We just started with OL tag and it is giving me the numbers. ठीक है, हाँ जी, आतिश क्लियर है? अभिषेक, कशिश, परीशा, is it clear? वनिका, हाँ जी बेटा, any doubt? Okay, now I'm going to use the type attribute. If I give type equals to capital A, so what will happen? Instead of 1 2 3 4, I will have A B C D.
मैम बट वो कैपिटल में आएगी.
कैपिटल में आएगी, yes, capital A B C. If I give small a, it will give me small a B C. Save it, go to the browser and refresh it and see the difference. Now list is in small a B C. Similarly, I can give the Roman letters either capital or small. Save it, go to the browser and refresh it. Okay, now it will have the small I Roman letters as a list. Clear? Now one more attribute is used with the OL tag. Now bullets के साथ कोई ऐसी प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी कि बुलेट्स कहाँ से स्टार्ट होनी है, बट नंबर्स के साथ we can have one more option कि numbers should start from a particular number. Numbering should start from a particular number. So for that purpose, I can use the start attribute. ठीक है, start attribute to define the starting value of for my list, starting value for numbering, to define the starting value for numbering, कि number कहाँ से start होना चाहिए. By default, it is starting with 1 or A or capital A or small a or capital Roman letter or small Roman letter first से start हो रहा है. One more thing very important, start will have a value only in number, not in any letter. अगर आप चाहते हो कि मेरा जो है लिस्ट स्टार्ट होनी चाहिए D से, you will not type start equals to D. This is wrong. This is wrong. ये नहीं टाइप करेंगे. क्या टाइप करेंगे? Start equals to 4. 4. Start attribute will have only numbers. So if I write start equals to 4 and type equals to capital A, so it will start the numbering from D. You will not type D. If I want my number, मेरा numbering style है, मैंने दिया type equals to Roman letter दिया capital I. So I will not type start equals to like 3. ये नहीं टाइप करेंगे. This is wrong. मुझे थर्ड से स्टार्ट करना है. I will not type 3 like this. I will type 3 like this only. The start attribute will have only simple numbers. ठीक है? According to the type, it will start the values. According to the type of the number, it will start the values. See. Here, type equals to small I. If I say start equals to 3, so it will, or start equals to 5. So it will start the numbering from 5th with the small Roman letter. Save it, go to the browser, refresh it. See, small 5, small Roman letter में 6, small Roman letter में 7, 8 and 9. But start value क्या थी? 3, 5 in simple letter. मुझे यहाँ पर ये नहीं लिखना है. This is wrong. ये नहीं लिखना है. मुझे सिर्फ एक नंबर बताना है कि 5th नंबर से स्टार्ट करो. टाइप कुछ भी हो. Any type, but start value will be given in numbers. If I give start equals to small a and I'm giving start equals to 6, from where it will start? From where it will start the numbers? Yes?
F.
Ma'am, F.
Okay. 6th letter. Save it. Go to the browser. Refresh it. See? ठीक है जी? क्लियर है बेटा यहाँ तक? दोनों टाइप्स ऑफ लिस्ट्स,
Yes, ma'am.
एट्रीब्यूट्स क्लियर है?
Ma'am, yes.
एनी डाउट, एनीवन बेटा? किसी को कोई डाउट है किसी
No.
में? कोई नोट डाउन करने वाली कोई चीज रह गई है तो बता दो. यस गुरदीप, जिया, माधव, मतंगी, ईशान, सादिका, ओके डन. परीक्षा डन. मनीषा, इज इट ओके? अंजनी, अरण्या, हाँ जी बेटा. एनी डाउट इन टुडेज टॉपिक? Here there are two types of list. One is
No, ma'am.
ordered list and unordered list. Ordered list in which all the items are given with the numbers and in which the order of items is important. Unordered list where the bullets are used to define the list items and order of items is not that important. Secondly, unordered list is used by using the UL tag. Ordered list is used by using the OL tag. UL tag has only one attribute, that is type attribute. Type attribute can have 3 values: disk, square, circle. By default is disk. By default is disk. Numbering
Disk.
attribute, in numbering OL tag, we are having 2 attributes: type, start. Type attribute can have values 1, uppercase Roman letters, lowercase Roman letter, uppercase simple letter ABC, and small case letters. Okay, and start attribute will define the starting value of numbers, numbering list. List कहाँ से start करनी है, that is given with the start attribute. Okay. Now everyone, you can do the coding which is given in your book on page number 125. Page number 125, one exercise is given, one activity is given. You can do the coding for that. There is no need for any extra software. Everybody is having Notepad in their laptop or in their computers. Type the coding in Notepad and open it in browser. Okay.